Hello, welcome to the Connect pre-training video. By taking a few minutes to review this video before your training, you'll be able to have a much more impactful conversation on your upcoming session. A few things before we get started. While your implementation consultant can make recommendations on what and how to use Connect, you'll have a much better experience if you use the pieces of Connect that will provide the greatest impact for you and your students. Think about how you run your course currently. Are there any issues in student performance or engagement? Do your students typically read the textbook before completing other assignments or discussing things in class? The answers to these questions will help guide yourself and your implementation consultant down the best path for using Connect successfully in your course. Now, let's jump into Connect. To sign in, you'll want to go to connect.mheducation.com. On this page, you'll enter in your email address and password. If you do not know your email address and password, or if you don't believe you have a Connect account set up, please contact your Learning Technology representative and they'll be able to provide you with that information. Once you've entered in your information, click Sign In. If this is your first time logging into Connect, you'll need to agree to the Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, and then click Save and Continue. The first thing you'll want to do when working with Connect is add a course. Depending on your situation, you may also have courses listed in Connect already. To add a course, we'll click the Add Course button, and then we'll be able to search. You can search by title, author, or subject. When reviewing your search results, make sure to choose the exact textbook, edition, and title that you are using in your course and your students will have access to as well. I'm going to select the textbook that I'm using for this class, once I've confirmed the title and edition. And then here, I'm going to name my course. Your course name will be something generic that you could use from term to term. Make sure to select your time zone, and make sure you're choosing US and your time zone. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing Central. Registration dates are optional and only need to be set if you have a specific window in which students can register for the course initially. Next, we'll name our section. This should be specific to the term and the section of your course. So if I call my section Fall 2017, I may also want to label it Section 2 to designate that from other sections that I may be teaching. Once you've entered in your section name, click Create Course. This next screen is what's called your Student Registration Information Sheet. The section web address is what you'll need to provide to students in order for them to access your Connect course. If you are integrating Connect into your learning management system, please disregard this web address. Now we'll click Continue to Section Home to get into our Connect course. When you first enter Connect, you'll be brought to the home page, which is where you'll be able to add assignments and see assignments that you've created. We'll come back to this page in a few moments to talk about the different assignment types available. You'll also have access to a Library tab. On the left, you can click on Instructor Resources, where you can access any additional resources we have available for your textbook. The instructor resources may include things like PowerPoint presentations and instructor's manuals to help you teach this course. The third section of Connect is Performance. This is where you'll be able to track and monitor student performance as they are working in the course. Let's go back to the home page to talk a little bit more about what's available in Connect. While each textbook in Connect may offer a few different assignment types, there are two main assignment types that you'll encounter in Connect. If we click Add Assignment, we'll see those listed up at the top: Question Bank and LearnSmart. LearnSmart, or as the students experience it through SmartBook, is an adaptive reading experience. SmartBook will help students focus on the most important topics in the chapter first by highlighting them as the students read. After reading all of the highlighted material in this chapter, students will move on to the practice phase. Here, they'll answer questions about what they've read, and those questions will adapt based on the student response to help create a fully customized study tool for the students. And because this assignment is graded on mastery, students are not penalized for incorrect answers and will be able to revisit the material to improve their mastery and understanding as needed. There's also a built-in coach in the program who will help guide students through the assignment. The other assignment type in Connect is the Question Bank. The Question Bank will allow you to build more traditional homework assignments, tests, quizzes, and practice assignments. With the question bank, you'll be able to pick and choose from the available questions for your textbook and create a customized assignment based on the needs of your course. You'll also be able to customize things like the number of attempts, available resources, and the feedback shown to the students after assignment submission. During your upcoming training, your implementation consultant will be able to walk you through how to build each of these assignment types in Connect and point out specific resources that may be unique to the text you are using in Connect. Thank you for watching, and we wish you success in your course.